Have you ever bought a car from a dealership before? You know how they take you into that small little office and then they start trying to sell you all these add-ons for stuff like exterior paint coverage and gap coverage and extended warranties? Well, I hate it because they're not trying to sell me stuff because they think it's in my best interest. They're just trying to bump up their margins by getting me to buy more add-ons. They're thinking, or at least they want me to think, hey, I just spent $25,000, $35,000 on this car. What's a little bit more for a few add-ons? So they intentionally try to overwhelm me. So I just start checking boxes and signing lines. Well, here's the crazy thing. Web agencies tend to do the same thing too, but you aren't doing it on purpose like the dealerships are. You're really trying to offer things that are helpful to people, but it's overwhelming to clients and it doesn't work anymore. Everybody's just been trained to just say no, right? Even if what you're offering really is helpful, people just say no. So what are you supposed to do if you want to sell add-ons for your web design services like SEO and blogging and content marketing without overwhelming clients? Because if you overwhelm people and just try to get them to check boxes and sign lines, then they're going to skip everything. That means they don't get the results that they want. It also means you don't get the recurring revenue that you need either. Instead, think about what you're really trying to do. You're not really trying to get people to buy more services from you. What you're really trying to do is get better results, and the services are just a stepping stone to get there. So what that means is the client doesn't really need blogging and SEO and content marketing. What they really need is more leads, more calls, and more clients. So you think about what you want to do up front and find a good solution that really generates those results, that really covers the big three things, which is where's the traffic going to come from, how do you convert the traffic to leads, and how do you convert the leads into clients, and then offer that as a solution. But you can't just offer web design and marketing as a black box either, where you just say, hey, we get you more leads, because that doesn't instill much confidence. Clients generally want to know why it works, but they don't want to be overwhelmed with the explanation. So if this is starting to make some sense, go ahead and thump the thumb for me, because that'll help other people discover the video. So the answer is sell your solution like Kachava. Have you ever heard of Kachava? It's supposedly the healthiest meal shake on the planet for people on the go. I've never tried it before, but the marketing is awesome. And the reason it works so well is because you come away with one primary takeaway, which is this is the healthiest meal shake on the planet for people on the go. And they even go into some of the details about how you're nourishing your body and your mind and boosting your immune system. They even give you some details about how they source these organic ingredients and how everything is really awesome, but they don't overwhelm you with any medical statistics or anything like that. You come away thinking, this is the healthiest meal shake on the planet for people on the go. Everything else just proves the point. And that's exactly how you sell high-ticket web design. You figure out who it's for, you figure out what they want, and you provide the solution to get it. So for example, if I were going to do something like this for me, I would say, I show web designers how to land 5-figure projects without overwhelming your clients. And if that's something you want to do, check out the link in the description, and there's a free course you can get access to that I just published that'll show you how to do all of this stuff for free right now. It's totally awesome. Or check out this next video over here, and I'll show you our 4 ACEs formula for how to land jackpot clients.